In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format cells in Excel. To get started, open Excel and go to your worksheet. The first thing you need to do is select the cell or range of cells you want to format. You can click a single cell or click and drag if you want to work with multiple cells at once. This is important because any formatting change you make will apply to whatever is currently selected. Once your cells are selected, open the Format Cells dialog box. There are two easy ways to do this. You can right-click the selected cells and choose Format Cells, or you can press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. Either method opens the same dialog box, which gives you access to several useful formatting options in one place. If you want to format numbers, click the Number tab. Here you can choose from categories like General, Number, Currency, Accounting, Date, Time, Percentage, or Fraction. After choosing the category that best fits your data, adjust any available options, then click OK. This is especially helpful when you want your spreadsheet to look more polished and make the data easier to read. To change the font style, select the cells again if needed, then go to the Home tab. In the font group, you can change the font type, adjust the font size, apply bold, italic, or underline, and also change the font color. These tools are useful for emphasizing headings, highlighting key values, or improving the overall appearance of your worksheet. Next, you can apply cell fill colors. Select the cells, go to the Home tab, and click the Fill Color button, which looks like a paint bucket. Then choose the color you want. Fill colors are great for organizing information visually or drawing attention to important cells. If you want to add borders, select the cells, go to the Home tab, and open the Borders drop-down menu. From there, choose a style such as all borders, outside borders, thick box border, or bottom border. Borders help separate data clearly and make tables easier to follow. You can also adjust alignment from the Home tab using the alignment group. Here, you can align text left, center, or right, and also align it to the top, middle, or bottom of the cell. You can use wrap text to keep long content visible within a cell, and merge and center if you want a title to span across multiple cells. If needed, you can also format cell protection. Open Format Cells again with Ctrl and 1, click the Protection tab, and choose either Locked or Hidden, then click OK. Just remember that these settings only take effect after the worksheet itself is protected. Finally, to quickly copy formatting, use Format Painter. Select a cell that already has the formatting you want, click Format Painter on the Home tab, then click or drag over the cells where you want to apply that same look. And that's how to format cells in Excel.